Online course for PCS 7 is ready, and you can enroll to this course. If you visit hdosenia.com website, you will have access to all the courses. Some of them are finalized, and some of them are in the process of being finalized, like the gas turbine course. It's getting finalized very soon. But now PCS 7 part 1 is ready. The rest of the tutorials are also ready. Delta V, Centum VP part 1. They're all ready, and today PCS 7 part 1 is ready. As the payment method, we only support BTC and BCH, and this is the test function. You can click on this course. It's a dummy course, and if you want to function test the BTC or BCH payment, you can do the test payment with this course. If you need to purchase the BTC or BCH from the exchanges, or you have the BTC or BCH in your wallet, you can use this dummy course in order to learn how to perform it. This is a very tiny amount of you need a tiny amount of BCH in order to transfer it and enroll to this dummy course. But for PCS 7, you can go here, view more, and if you want to purchase, there will be some add to cart here available. It will be available here, but I did the purchase before. If you want to know how the process in order to buy. I will put the video here for you. I did the process. You can add to cart, and after that you need to view the cart. First you need to add to cart here. Now you can view. Previously I had Emerson Delta V. I canceled that purchase. I only want to keep the PCS 7 here. I delete the unwanted product, and only I want to keep the PCS 7. And here proceed to checkout. In the checkout, you need to provide the name, first name, last name, your country, and some the information in the register. They are necessary to be filled, and you can select pay with Bitcoin here. And if you move forward, you have two options. You can pay with Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash. Before the Bitcoin Taproot update, the Bitcoin network was really expensive. The network fee was huge in Bitcoin network. I recommended to use Bitcoin Cash, but nowadays, after several adoption, some countries adopted Bitcoin as their legal tender, and some other important news and events related to Bitcoin. It's possible to transfer Bitcoin from the source to target address with a low or minimum fee. So you can select Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash. If you select as an example Bitcoin Cash, you will have this address. In each try, you will receive a unique address, and you can use this address. You need to transfer BCH to this address, BTC or BCH, and you have only 30 minutes to copy this address in your wallet and transfer the value. You should transfer the exact amount, and if you pay less, there's danger of unsuccessful transaction and unsuccessful purchase. So if you do the payment successfully, you will have access to the course, and you can start the course here, as you can see, and you will receive this message: congrats, you enroll course successfully, and redirect. You can see the old course material related to the course here, and I will show you in the next slides of what will you find related to each of the lessons. So if you have your own wallet, you can transfer BCH. You can transfer BCH. In order to transfer, you can select send here, and you can provide the address here, the amount to be sent, you can provide it here and click send. The address will be copied from here. You can copy the address and you can copy the amount here and click on send. The BCH will be transferred from your wallet to the target address, and you will receive this confirmation. But you know, in order to receive the final confirmation, you need to receive this confirm in your wallet. Normally for the payment to be successful, at least we need 3 confirmation on the blockchain. 3 confirmations. If you have any problem, if you paid the course and the enrollment is not successful, please contact us and we will help you about this unsuccessful payment. We will help you. And when you enroll the course but do the payment, you will have access to the course materials. There are some videos, encrypted videos. There are some design notes, and there are some project files. For player, you will receive a file. It's possible to install the player in Win 7 or Win 10. This is the installation in Windows 10. After being installed, you can search for the project by the name and it will be open here. For Windows 7, you may need some additional files. You need to download those additional files and perform the installation. The icon on the Windows, you can search on your program files or 3 transfer the icon, the program icon on your desktop, and open the program. When the program is open, you want to open some of the files to start your course. You need to provide your username and password that is valid in the website. And if you perform the enrollment and if you perform the course, you purchase the course, actually you will have access to tutorials. It's possible to log out if you use the PC that are several people are using this PC. It's possible to perform the log out in the top right corner of the player. And please remember that Win 7 or Win 10 for Windows, the newer version of Windows, you may use the newer player, but you may have some difficulty when your Windows 11 is getting updated. But for Win 10 or Win 7, it's a perfect player to play and to show you the encrypted video files. And when you open each of the lessons, you will have access to a link. When you open the link, in this example, this is the tank station sequence and control. You will find the design note, some videos. These videos should be opened by the player, and this is the project file. It's possible to open the videos, as I mentioned before. For the project file, you need to have the access to the PCS 7 project in a virtual machine or in your working machine. And after passing all of the courses, after reading all the lessons here, you need to take the final quiz. It's around 40 questions, and you need to answer to all of these questions. And when you answer all of them, you will receive your own PCS 7 certificate. Here I answered all of them correctly, and I received my PCS 7 certificate. And you can find one of the sample questions here with the answer. It's very easy to enroll and to take the course. You will receive a great amount of information. You learn how to install your PCS 7, how to program, to do the troubleshooting on your PCS 7 program, to somehow select the hardware, select the OS hardware for OS stations, and you will do some complex projects from the process automation. It's a great tutorial, and I highly recommend you to enroll. And the final quiz, it's challenging for good students and also some projects. Please do the projects first and check the solutions that are provided. Thank you, and please stay connected to our YouTube channel. Thank you.